This report outlines the intensification of violence and armed conflict throughout Myanmar, primarily due to the military's use of heavy weaponry to punish the civilian population. Military airstrikes were the single largest cause for civilian deaths, resulting in 838 of the 1,811 civilian fatalities verified during the reporting period. These incidents from Sagaing, Mandalay, and Shan confirm attacks against schools, markets, and IDP camps. Another grave concern for civilians were practices of forced recruitment, not only by the military, but also by ethnic armed organizations. On the situation of the Rohingya, the report finds that both the military and the Arakan army have committed widespread violations and abuses, including killings, disappearances, arbitrary arrests, forced displacement, forced recruitment, and property destruction. Some 150,000 Rohingya civilians fled to Bangladesh, creating images reminiscent of 2017. The conditions for the Rohingya have not improved. In fact, Rohingya communities throughout northern Rakhine have faced repeated abuses or denial of their rights by the AA. The report implores the armed parties to rectify this situation immediately, to prevent further human rights violations, and to facilitate immediate, unfettered humanitarian relief for civilians throughout Rakhine. The High Commissioner's report calls on the Security Council to refer the situation in Myanmar to the International Criminal Court, on the military, the Arakan army, and other parties to immediately cease violence and allow unhindered humanitarian access, and on member states to ensure protection for those fleeing and to provide necessary protection and assistance, including to the Rohingya in Myanmar and Bangladesh.